This case considered the issue of defamation and whether or not an article published by the president of a medical association was defamatory, even though it did not specifically mention the plaintiff medical practitioner's name. In this case, an article was printed in a medical journal by the president of the medical association. A medical practitioner brought an action against the president of the association and the journal that printed the article on the basis that it contained defamatory statements about him and that it was done with malice and not in good faith. The president and the journal argued that the article was not defamatory and did not mention his name. However, although the article did not specifically mention his name, he argued that the article made imputations about him, specifically that his bulk billing practices were cheating Medicare and that he owned an expensive property. He argued that by making reference to the purchase of this expensive property, that this was sufficient to identify him. The central issue for the court, therefore, was whether or not the article was defamatory in the circumstances, even though it did not mention the medical practitioner's name. The court ultimately held